Welcome to the Flash Performance Garage. We're on part 2 of the 2008 Chevy Silverado truck that I'm working on for a friend of mine. And he has one key to this truck and it doesn't turn very well. So he wants me to add 2 more keys to the truck. So I went ahead and ordered in the keys and already got them cut. So we're going to go ahead and program them on this episode. If you're new to key programming and you just got an IM608, these Chevy trucks are probably the easiest thing you're ever going to do. It's a pretty simple process, and it's spelled out with the truck. So we're going to do 2 keys, and I also got a new key fob that we're going to add to the truck. So let's get that process started. So we're going to go to the scan tool. We're going to select Immobilizer and accept. We're going to go ahead and go into GM, and we're going to do a manual selection. I don't know what the system is on this truck, so we're going to let the tool figure that out for us. Where are we at? We're in the USA. We're going to select Silverado. It's a 2008, and it does have a blade key, so we're going to select blade key. And then we're going to do an immobilizer scan, and we want to do key learning. The ignition, I already have the keys cut, so let's go ahead and put that in and turn the ignition on. Now the GMs do have a 12-minute wait process, so let's go ahead and get that taken care of. And there we go. And I was killing it in a game of Sudoku block. Hashtag not a sponsor. So we're going to switch the ignition off and then on again with the keys you want to program. So we're going to go off and on. Switch our key to the other one. We're going to go on, off, on. Click OK. Procedure complete. Key starts the truck. Simple, simple. So we're going to now go out and we want to go to escape and we want to program our remote. So we're going to do a remote scan and we're going to do an add a remote. So the ignition on, it is. So to be honest with you, I got to this point on the scan tool and I got really frustrated because it kept on saying when I click on add remote, turn the ignition on, and I would do that, and it kept on saying ECU denied, test conditions incorrect. And I'm like, what in the heck is going on? Why won't it let me program keys to this truck? So I went inside. I had dinner. I looked it up on my repair and diagnostic information on how to program remotes. I came back out here thinking I had the solution. And I found the solution. This is a work truck. It doesn't have power locks, so I can't program a remote to it. So if you had remotes, that's where you would go to in the scan tool. So this video ended up on being how to program keys and looking to know if you have remote power locks or not. So thanks for watching. I'm Chad from Flash Performance, and even I make mistakes. Sometimes I just put it on camera. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.